Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I have this generator here that I'm gonna fix up so we can sell, so I can buy wheels for my Jeep. Hopefully by the end of the video, we are able to make some profit off of this. But let me show you what we're gonna do. So what I'm gonna do with the generator, you can also do with like a lawnmower or a toolbox or anything like that you can get your hands on that someone can give you for free or for cheap that you can find on Facebook Marketplace. You can easily restore it and make some money. So we have here a generator. It is not a name brand, it's like a Chinese type. It was missing the carburetor, but I already put that on. As you can see, the muffler has a little bit of surface rust, which we'll sand down and just spray paint. The gas tank, you can tell it's faded, so I got this paint here that should be good enough to do the job. I got a new airbox filter here and also a new gas gauge, because as you can see, this one's not good. So we will go ahead and replace those parts, but first we're gonna paint the gas tank. So we're gonna take off the stickers, sand it down, and get that ready for paint. Also, as you can tell, the black on here is very dull. A good tip, if you want to make black look like new again, just clean it off really good. This will only work if it's still painted and not like rusted like down here. Spray some clear on it, and that clear will bring that black back to life. So just a small little tip. So first step is first, I'm going to take off the gas tank 4 bolts, take off these stickers, and start sanding it down. And as always, Milwaukee only. All right, so here we have it sanded down. I already cleaned it up with some degreaser, so it's ready for paint. I'm going to do a couple light coats because I don't want any drips or anything like that. So a couple light coats and we should. And the reason you want to do a couple light coats is so you don't end up with like those streaks that you see right there, but it'll all go away. All right, since we have the gas tank drying right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the air filter. And this is pretty simple. You see these nuts? That goes right there. It has these 2 holes there, and it bolts up there. And then down here, there should be a bolt that goes from that bracket to the filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, pretty simple to do. I'm gonna link this and the carburetor I used down below. All right, so there it is. It literally took like 1 minute to put on. There is supposed to be a rubber hose that goes from here to this piece there, but I don't have it, so I will have to go buy it. I think now I'm just gonna try to polish up the chrome. Just hit it with this. See, looks like new compared to that. Look at that, it looks like new. So I'm gonna keep doing that, do it to the bolts just to make everything look like new. I definitely need to go pick up some black paint for this, but yeah, not coming out bad. All right, so I want to show you the clear coat trick. This will make it look like new, and I try to clean off the best I could. I'm not too worried about the dirt there, but I mean, you can see the difference in the black, right? So I'm gonna keep doing that to all the black, to the whole frame, and this will look way better than before. So I'm just trying to make it get more value, you know, make it seem newer than what it is. That way I can get more money from it. All right, so look at that, it came out really good. Painted the gas tank as well, that came out great. I have to put this back together, the springs. I've never done this before, but I watched a video on it. Apparently you're supposed to put it into this piece first and then put it on there. I was trying to do it backwards and it was pretty frustrating, so I stopped and I decided to watch a video. But we're gonna put it back together. It looks like new now, but it's almost done. So now that I did it the right way, it was so much easier. I recommend using some gloves. Some of these are the best that I have used. Just push it down, go around in a circle until you get to the middle. Now you see that hook, and you see the hook over here too. They're facing the same direction, that's what you want. On this piece, there should be a tab. Just ring it up there. Okay, so in the gas tank, I had some like dirt or rocks in there. So to clean it out, I used this bucket head vacuum from Home Depot. Awesome thing to use here. Threw the hose in there and, you know, sucked it all up. It's all clean now, so it's time to put it all back together. All right, so here is the finished product. I mean, that looks pretty damn good. Looks like new. It is missing a panel here, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. I don't really care. Also, this wheel, you can tell, has a wobble. I went to Harbor Freight and picked up these wheels, but these are 5/8 and those are bigger, so these didn't fit. I'm gonna have to return those, so I'm gonna sell it as is. I mean, it does run really good. Let's turn it on. Check this out. So yeah, everything's working now. I got it working good. I checked the voltage coming out of here. We got 240 like 1 and 121 about. So that's more than enough to power something up. So now I'm just gonna post it online and hopefully we sell it quick because I need money to buy wheels. And this is like a Honda clone. I went to Harbor Freight to check out their models, and literally the whole engine is the same. The only thing that's different is they have a panel on the side instead of on the back like this one has it. It's on the side and just looks prettier, but I mean, I should be able to get maybe like 200 bucks for this. So I ended up posting the generator on Facebook Marketplace and on OfferUp just in case, and I put it up for $280 because I know people are gonna lowball me. I was getting pretty lowball offers. Somebody did offer me $200 and they were, you know, serious buyers, so I told them come tomorrow and it's yours. And sure enough, I got $200 for the generator. I mean, it was working perfect. It looked good. And at Harbor Freight, like the similar generator is about $400. So I think they got a good deal too. Nonetheless, I got the generator for free. And on the gas gauge, I spent $10. Carburetor was $15 and the air filter was $20. So what is that? $45 plus the spray paint, like another $5, $50. So I have under $50 profit, which is good. So instead of Jeep parts, I'm actually going to be buying a heat press because I have a little surprise for you guys that's gonna come up soon, hopefully by the end of March. So be on the lookout for that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's an easy way to make money using old tools, old toolboxes, lawnmowers, whatever you get your hands on. It's really easy to work on them, get them running. A lot of parts are available on Amazon, so you can easily make a couple $100 bucks. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.